Hello guys, welcome to my vlog. For today, nandito po tayo ngayon sa City of San Fernando. As you can see guys, nandun ang malaking Ferris wheel. It's very amazing guys. So Christmas here today because today is December 25th, 2025. As you can see guys, very amazing over there. Ayan no, laki ng ano natin. Nakikita niyo, very nice. Beautiful. Yan. Wow, so Christmas here in San Fernando, La Union.
Ang ganda naman ni bakla. Wow, amazing. Yes, mga amigas, ang dami talagang ilaw. Ang saya.
Hi guys, welcome to my vlog. For today, nandito po tayo ngayon sa San Fernando, City of La Union. As you can see guys, it's very nice. Ang decoration here today, as you can see.
Dito ito sa Christmas Village. Amazing guys, punta na kayo dito para sa mga pictorials ninyo for Christmas. And of course, ma-enjoy talaga kayo kasi marami makikita dito kay. Yes, mga amigas, it's December 25, 2025. Andito ako ngayon sa Christmas Village dito sa San Fernando, City of La Union. Of course guys, marami makikita dito at saka maraming mga games. Yes, mga amigas, free lang ang entrance dito guys. Pero babayaran ninyo babayaran ninyo mga rides. Ayan, sasakay si bakla. Sasakay si bakla sa roller coaster. Ayan, sasakay si bakla sa roller coaster. Of course, parang final destination. Ayan, sasakay ako guys. Baka mamaya, parang yung nakikita ko sa final destination pagdating doon sa taas, nahulog or natanggal ang mga bearing dyan sa baba. Tapos biglang lumipat si bakla, tutusok sa mga poste, ganyan. Anyway guys, safe naman talaga dito guys. Safe na kasi hindi sila magpapaganya kung hindi safe.
Hey, gumaga daw yun oh. Oh my God! Oh my God! Final destination! Oh my God! Parang yung ulo. Ibabak yung ulo ko. Oh my God! Ayan, another. Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh, bata na. Welcome to La Union! Ah! Oh my God! Ah! Oh my God! Oh, ah! Hey! Ayoko! Last. Oh! Oh my God! Ah! 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 We're alive! Merry Christmas everybody! Napakasaya, maraming kulay, and as you can see guys, maraming mga rides dito, and ayan, mga bata na play, and ang daming ilaw, and a lot of amusement park dito sa San Fernando, La Union.
Yes, mga amigas, tama na narinig ninyo guys. Amazing to visit this place actually para ma-enjoy ninyo talaga ang year-end celebration of course. As what we all know that Christmas is always a big event here in the Philippines. As you can see guys, ang laki ng Christmas tree. Punta na kayo dito. Amazing to see this Belen. Ayan, as you can see guys, very beautiful, very colorful talaga dito ngayon sa La Union. Dito ito sa San Fernando, La Union. As you can see guys, ang dami mga tao ngayon guys pupunta dito because they're really enjoying the vibes here. Marami din mga pagkain dito, mga food. Kung nagpo-food trip kayo, punta na kayo dito guys. And of course, gusto nyo mag-pictorials tulad ko. And of course, ride mga rides. Ayan, yan, punta kayo dito. And amazing to see all of these beautiful lights na nandito ngayon sa San Fernando, La Union. As you can see guys, amazing. Ayan, rampa-rampa si Bakla. Victorious dito. Rampa-rampa. Yan guys, rampa na rampa si Bakla. Ang ganda talaga ng Christmas tree dito. Different colors talaga. As you can see, nag-emo si Bakla. Yes guys, a Merry Christmas to each and everyone who are watching my vlog right now. Parang gusto ko rin sumakay ng Ferris wheel, kaso lang baka mahilo ako dyan sa taas. Baka mahilo si Bakla kasi ikot-ikot in one direction. Gusto ko talaga yung lumilipat-lipat. Ay, ikot na ikot. Naku, mahilo ko dyan. Anyway guys, this is about life. We need to enjoy every single moment of our lives. Always stay young at heart. Kahit medyo napupunta na tayo sa final destination. Wag naman, ikaw talaga bakula. Pero anyway, as what I've said a while ago, that we need to enjoy life because life is too short. Always put in our hearts the young in us will always be a must. You know, don't sasabihin na hindi ka na pwede sa mga ganyan. As long as we're living, we're existing, we can still do those things na hindi lamang pambata. You know, you can also do whatever you wanted to do with your life. Enjoy and just be happy. That's the most important thing. So ano pang hinihintay nyo guys dito sa La Union? Dali na ninyo mga family din nyo dito, and of course marami talaga dito makikita, at saka maraming mga food na pwede ninyong bilhin dito, and of course kakain-kain at saka iinom-inom. Ayan, as you can see guys, may mga hut dito, mga nipa hut, of course from the different municipalities of La Union. Ayan, as you can see guys, marami talaga mga makikita dito for pictorial purposes, and of course amazing to see all of these beautiful mga hut. Yes mga amigos, I think this is a competition. Of course, awards siguro kung sino most creative na hut, of course from the different municipalities of La Union, of course. But of course, kung ako mag-judge, of course, nagagandahan ako dito sa booth or dito sa Nipahat, dito ng municipality of San Juan. Amazing. As you can see guys, marami talagang ilaw. This is from the municipality of San Juan, La Union. Anyway guys, maganda talaga lahat. Very creative talaga ang mga gumawa dito guys. Amazing to see all of these beautiful nipa huts, of course. This is from Agoo, and of course may taga Luna, lahat ng municipality ng La Union. As you can see guys, amazing. Very creative, very fabulous. Ayan amigos, sasakay si Bakla ng horror train.
Kuya, wala bang safety? Ano to? Hindi naman ito mabilis.
Horror train.
Mas nakakatawa yung boses ng nasa likod natin. Sabay din. Ay, bahala kayo dyan.
Oh.
Wala mo tulog ka. Yes! Bahala kayo dyan. Ewan kasi kuya doon. Nagbablog.
Ha? Hi. Hello. Oh my God.
Kuya, wag muna! Kuya! Kuya!
Now we'll go guys dito sa Plaza, San Fernando Plaza. Of course, as you can see guys, ang ganda ng mga lights dito guys. Amazing to see. Actually, walang tao na ngayon because it's already like 12 o'clock. Ayan, lumabas si Bakla. Galing pa doon sa Christmas Village. Ayan, pauwi na. Bumili ng food and of course, dumaan dito para makita ang mga ilaw-ilaw dito sa Plaza. Of course guys, kaya medyo walang tao pero pag medyo earlier pa, ang dami talagang tao dito guys. Amazing, gawa kayo dito mga pictorials for TikToks, sa mga reels and everything. Anyway guys, this is Christmas. We need to, always be mindful about what's happening around the corner and of course, appreciate all the little things that life has to offer and always believe that there's always a day after tomorrow. But make it a point that do not live for yesterday, but we need to live for now. Remember that tomorrow is never promised. So always be very, very mindful and be kind because kindness is not for sale. Ang ganda ng mga ilaw guys dito sa plaza. As you can see guys, ang ganda talaga ng mga ilaw dito and of course you can come here for doing the pictorial things and everything. As you can see the overpass, ang ganda-ganda dito sa San Fernando, La Union
San Fernando
Plaza.
City, of course. This is my second home and of course I've been living here for almost like matagal na. Of course, as you can see guys, nag-change ito plaza nila ngayon. Iniba na, mas modern, mas beautiful, and of course may fountain ito pero ngayon hindi pa umandar ang fountain kasi it's already like gabi na. Anyway guys, thank you very much for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Maraming salamat. See you on my next vlog. Bye!